G'day folks, Jim Langens here from FX Charts with the currency outlook for the Finance News Network for Monday the 9th of July. Well, it was really all about the non-farm payroll data on Friday. The reading came in for the third successive month below 100,000, it was 80,000. Really there was a flight to the US Dollar Treasuries. The Euro, of course, got hit heaviest, and it made a two-year low down to 122.60, and it closed just above its lows, but it's looking pretty soft, and I think we can expect to see further downside in the sessions ahead, with possibly a test of 120, and then eventually the major target that I'm looking for, 118.75. That won't be for a while yet, though. Of course, the euro, that dragged the other currency, the other majors with it. Cable's trading at 154.80, and dollar Swiss is up at 97.85, and both those currencies look as though they're going to weaken further in sessions to come. The Aussie and the Kiwi, they did get pulled down as well, but they actually performed relatively okay, and the Aussies trading at just around 102. It's about 101.90 at the moment against the dollar, and it's the Kiwis at 79.60. The Euro Aussie cross, of course, that hits another all-time low, and it's trading precariously just above 1.2. But that looks as though that could head south again itself. Today, the main event on the agenda is going to be the Chinese CPI, PPI reading. The PPIs are meant to come in at 2.3, or that's the expectation anyway. So that'll be a fairly soft reading. Not sure what that means. If the market feels it's going to cut rates, that could be supportive of the Aussie, but overall the reason they're cutting rates is because China's actually slowing down. So we could see a bit of two-way volatility if that reading comes in. That aside, there's not an awful lot more out. There's a bit of data out of Germany later on, but that's really about it. And the main headline later in the week will be from China again, with the GDP on Friday. So we have to wait and see on that one. So it looks like being a pretty volatile week. I think the dollar looks as though it's going to strengthen. The dollar index, the DXY, closed back above 83, and looks as though it wants to take out the earlier high of 83.55 seen last month. So that's about it. If you do want a more comprehensive report on the market outlook, go to the website as usual, www.fxcharts.com.au. That aside, please just remember that any outlook here is a personal opinion only. It's not meant to be used as trading advice. So that's really about it. Have a very good day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Cheers.